This is the culvert draining down that diverted to the right, and we needed to clear it up to the left. Right there is where it needs to be cleared up. And today, by the grace of God, that happened. So this is the other view coming up the across the road and up the stream. This thing gushed back. You can see it took off that guy's property. It was torrential. In fact, it brought down so much stone and logs. We had more damage from this than we did on the river and from the river. That's not including our bridge. But you can see this whole road was covered in stone and dirt and logs, and these are some of the logs left over, and up there you can see the damage.
So we spent about an hour digging away the leaves, stones, sticks, branches to block the gate, and we finally got it open. You can see how high it is. So hopefully a guy with an excavator will push it all flat. I'm fucking filming!
So little by little, day after day, the river is getting cleaner. I don't know if the bacteria and poisonous stuff is out of the river, but visually it is definitely more clear. And you can kind of see that by looking at, you can see the stones now where you couldn't a week ago. This is over 2 weeks in.
Trying to make a way over to the other side to divert this stream that's flowing down here to back on the other side where it was. This rock field was never here. This came down from the mudslide, and this was loaded with mud and trees. Most of the trees continue to go downstream that way, but this was never here. He's gonna try and dig a trench that takes the water from that culvert all the way over to that ditch. There's a ditch over there. And if he could make the culvert along there, that would be awesome. He's gonna try and move that rock now. All this junk. Trees, yeah, what's left of the trees came down from the mudslide from across the street. And there's the culvert. I hope you can see it. It's right up in there. Said he was making a dam here, right there. I'm not sure why, because it's only going to force the water to go down this new path that goes right through the center of the property, which we don't really want. So I don't know how that's gonna work. He's digging a ditch over there now, moving those stones. Hopefully taking it all the way over to that gully that's over there. So he's starting this water. Is great, and it is coming down little by little, but we got to clean out this area up here and then put a dam on that new drainage area that's to the left of this, so make sure it comes down all the way. And this will work out nicely because it'll go all the way out to that gully, which is awesome. Right there is the gully that he's making a path to. I think he's trying to get up. He's trying to get up closer so he can dig out that stuff up there that I just pointed out. Which would be awesome. Awesome, he's getting up there. I can't even tell you. He's a brother in the Lord. I'm just so grateful for all the help that they're giving us for free. This is the kindness that we're seeing in this area. It just brings you to tears. So this is my property up to that gully over there. So I still got a lot of pieces of wood and just junk that came down from the campground, and obviously trees like this and roots and just a mess. And that tree right there, that should be cut up by somebody and hauled off. We got a lot of firewood. Not that that's a priority. So we ended here, but I think he'll come back and dig this all the way out. So it's a gully that evacuates to this inlet. and then evacuates to the main river. But this was never like this. This was all like sand in here now that came down from across the road over that hill. The road's out there, and it's all sand now and stone, which is really, really difficult to walk on. So I'm not filming and walking. So it looks to me like he is digging that out and taking what he digs out and blocking the other waterway path, which is awesome. I didn't know if you could get down here, but he did it. Amazing. And it's amazing what these little bobcats and excavators can do. Just incredible. He's definitely blocking that stream. Awesome. He's taking whatever he can find and putting it in the way to divert that water. Right now he's logs and stones, I think. Looks like a big stone here. There's a big one. He's making a dam. It's still flowing pretty good, but he's working on, you can see it's flowing pretty heavy right out of there. Coming from the area he's trying to divert. This tree stump, you can see how mud and stone are embedded in it, and that's what came down the mudslide. He has done it. Hallelujah. He has changed the path of the water. So now I can see right away this has changed. This is awesome. It is now flowing. And he's just checking out the path, I think. Making sure that it does evacuate all the way down to that other gully over there. He did an amazing job. So grateful. Hopefully by tomorrow this will all dry up. And it will dry up down here, down in this area here. That's where our fire pit used to be. It's such a wonderful and lovely spot. Maybe we can have that again, Lord willing. The other thing we asked this gentleman to do was try to pull out these root balls. I think he's going to do that now. There's absolutely no way manpower could do that. And he may take it up to the road, which would be awesome. If not, if he leaves it there, maybe we can just burn it there. That would be okay too. We are going to have a massive bonfire.
Hey, bring that sauce, huh?
Thank you. I know, I've been careful. I'm a documentary filmmaker.
Yeah.
So it's important that I do this. Well, they took the crap off of the bridge, which is awesome. And they leveled out our road somewhat. It's better than it was. You can pull in here. The gate's open too. Gate's open. So from the culvert now down, if you get down to, where are we here? Down to here. It's going to the left. It was going to the right, but he blocked it all off. If you can see that from here. Kind of filmed it from below. But he's got a big log down there. That log right. That log right there. Anyway, it's diverted and it's drying up down there. So all's good. This is a huge thing for us.